Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. My dear students, we are studying about one of the very important organ system of our body, and that is the nervous system, a lesson from 5th standard science. Dear students, in first part of the video, we have studied about the human nervous system, and we came to know that the human nervous system is made up of three important parts, and these three important parts, as you can see on your screen as well, the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Brain and spinal cord, my dear friends, they makes up the central nervous system, whereas the nerves, the large network of the nerves, they makes up the peripheral nervous system. We also have studied that the human nervous system is very important because it coordinates the various activities and functions of our body. It also important because it also controls the movements and the functions of our body. The nervous system is also very important because of the nervous system only we come to know about the surrounding. That means what is going on in our surrounding, we come to know it is because of the nervous system. So we can say that the nervous system is a very important organ system. Now my dear friends, in today's part of the video, we are going to study about the parts of the nervous system. So as you know it very well now, it is very common for you now that the human nervous system is made up of three parts, and the three parts are brain, the first picture towards my left side. The second one at the middle, you can see the highlighted part at the back side, that is your spinal cord, which starts from the lower part of your brain to the back end. Then we have the large network of nerves, the thread-like structures are there. These thread-like structures are called as the nerves. So basically the nervous system is made up of the three parts: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Now we will study about the brain. What is the brain? That we will discuss in this part of the video. My dear friends, the most what differentiate the humans from other animals? The differentiation between we humans, we have discovered, we have invented so many things. Okay, it is because of our powerful brain. Our brain is so powerful, we can, and because of this brain only, we have brought so many changes in the society and in the world. So what is the brain? How does it looks? What is the color of it? What is the approximate weight of the brain? All those things we will discuss here in this video. So my dear friends, first of all, let me tell you that the brain controls all the activities of our body. Brain controls all the activities of our body. Whatever the activities are there, these all activities are controlled by our brain. The human brain is grayish pink in color. The color of the brain is grayish and slightly pink. Okay. Then, as you can see in the image also here on your screen, our brain has many folds on its surface. The next thing is that the brain is very delicate. Okay, it is a very important organ. It is very delicate organ. So, as it is a delicate organ, it needs the extra protection, and this extra protection is provided or given to the brain is by the framework of the bones is there, and that framework of the bones which protects our brain is called as the skull. So the brain is protected, surrounded by the body box. It is called as the skull. So if by mistake also, if you met with an accident, then also the The injuries do not happen to the brain, or our brain does not damage. If the brain damage, the functions, all the functions of the body will means there will be no coordination, and we may not be able to function the various parts or various activities of the body properly. So it needs the protection, and the protection is given by the skull. Brain is also protected by the fluid which is called as the cerebrospinal fluid, which is present in between the skull and the brain. An adult human brain weighs about 1.4 kg. Approximately, we can say the approximate weight of the human brain is 1.5 kilograms. The left side of the brain is usually controls the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain, my dear friends, it controls the left side of the body. Okay, the brain needs the continuous supply of blood and oxygen. Now the brain has the three parts. What are the three parts of the brain? The three parts of the brain includes, the first one is the cerebrum, the largest one. Then we have the cerebellum, which is situated below the cerebrum, and at last we have a bulb shaped third part of the brain, that is called as the medulla. This medulla also can be called as the brainstem. So about these three parts of the brain we'll discuss in the next part of the video. Thank you so much.